Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Shelly app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shelly is a smart home automation app built to control and manage Shelly devices like smart plugs, relays, sensors, and switches. Through the app, users can remotely turn devices on or off, monitor power consumption, set schedules, and create automation routines. It also supports integration with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easier to manage your smart home hands-free. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is clean and user-friendly, and most users find it easy to connect new devices. Real-time device status updates and energy monitoring work well, and the automation options give a good level of control. The inclusion of local control, no cloud dependency, is a big plus for privacy-focused users. That said, the app isn't without flaws. Some users report minor connectivity issues, especially when trying to access devices remotely. The setup process can be slightly technical for beginners, and a few advanced settings may feel hidden or unintuitive. Updates occasionally introduce bugs that require quick patches. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Shelly is a solid app for anyone looking to build or expand a smart home using Shelly devices. It offers deep customization, reliable performance, and local control capabilities. While it may have a learning curve for new users, it's well worth considering if you're serious about smart automation. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.